Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix laptop overheating issues without using any software. Firstly, click on the Windows icon, then type Edit Power Plan, and click on it from the search results. After that, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Here, find Processor Power Management and click on it to expand the options. Now click on Maximum Processor State, then click on Plugged In, and change the value from 100 to 95. This helps reduce CPU heat without affecting performance much. After that, click on Apply and then OK, and close the window. Next, click on the Windows icon again and open Settings. After that, click on Apps, then select Startup. Here, you will see a list of apps that start automatically when Windows boots. Turn off all the apps that you do not need running in the background, because these apps consume more power and increase heat. Once done, close this window. Now go back to Settings and click on System. Here, look for the Storage Sense option. Make sure the On-Off toggle is turned on, as this helps Windows manage temporary files automatically. Click on Storage Sense, and if you see any recommended files for deletion, go ahead and delete them. This reduces system load and helps improve airflow performance indirectly. After completing all these steps, close all the settings windows. Finally, click on the Windows icon, click on the Power option, and select Restart. Restarting your PC will apply all the changes properly and help reduce overheating. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.